Hello friends and students, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to see the hints and solution of some of previous year MCQ in MHT CET exam. This video is for matrices part 1. In my last video, we have seen hints and solution of some of previous year MCQ in MHT CET exam logic part 1. The link of which is given below in the description. Now in this video we are going to see the example on matrices which was asked in previous year MHT CET exam. Number 1, if A is a matrix, then A11 into A21, A12 into A22, A13 into A23 is equal to. Here A11 is the element at first row, first column, and capital A is the cofactor of the element at 2, 1, that is row number 2 and column number 1. In this product A11 and capital A21, the suffixes of small a and capital A are same, that is A11 capital A11 plus small A12 capital 12 plus A13 into capital 13. Then the value of this expression is determinant of A. Otherwise it is 0. So the suffixes of small a and capital A are different. Then the value of this expression is 0. And so the answer of 1 is B. B is correct answer. Number 2, A is a matrix, B is another matrix, then the B inverse into A inverse, its inverse is equal to. Now we first simplify this. B inverse, A inverse, A inverse is equal to. We know that it is A inverse inverse into B inverse its inverse, which is equal to inverse of inverse is A itself, matrix itself, and this is also B. And therefore A into B, it is the product of the two matrix. First matrix A is 2, 2 minus 3, 2. And second matrix is 0, that is B matrix, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 is equal to matrix multiplication. We take first row, first column and multiply each element. 2 into 0 is become 0, 2 into 1, 2, that the first element is 2. Then first row, second column, 2 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into 0, 0, that is minus 2. So first row is 2 minus 1. Now in the option here, in option A, it is 2 minus 2, and all other options first row is different. So no need to calculate further. Without wasting time, we select A as the correct answer. Therefore A is correct answer. Number 3, the inverse of the matrix is, in each option the coefficient of matrix, that is minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, they are the same, only difference is in the matrices. So we use a shortcut method to find the inverse of a square matrix. Here we take the element of a given matrix 1 0 0 3 3 0 5 2 minus 1. We repeat this column first and second 1 3 5 0 3 2. Again we repeat the first row and second row 1 0 0 1 0 3 3 0 3 3. Now we remove the first row and first column. Now adjoint of a matrix, it is a square matrix of order 3. We take first row. The element of first row is the determinant, the evaluation of the determinant of this determinant. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 0 into 2 is 0, that is minus 3. The second element of the first row is this determinant. So we evaluate this. 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0, so second element is 0. Now the third element, we take this determinant. 0 into 0, 3 into 0 is 0. The first row is minus 3 0 1. Now if you observe in all here, in option A, minus 3 0 0, minus 3 0 0, so and in third option also minus 3 0 0. Then first, so this is option C is not correct. Now remaining A, B and D. Now again, second row, we take this determinant 5 into 0, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, middle sign is minus, minus 3. Minus minus become plus, so it is 3. Now second element, we take this determinant 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 0 into 5 is 0, so it is minus 1. It is minus 1. Now, third element of the row number 2, we take this determinant 3 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 1, 0, so total is 0. Now, 3 minus 1, 0, the second row, 3 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1 0, it is the answer B. Answer A, there is 3 1 0 and answer D minus 3 0. So we are already, this is not correct. Again this is not correct. This is not correct. So answer B is correct. So therefore B is correct answer. We no need to evaluate all the matrix, only it is sufficient to get at least 2 rows. So answer B is number 4. For an invertible matrix A, if A into adjoint of A is a matrix, then the determinant of A is equal to, we know that A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Here the RHS is given a matrix 10 0 0 10, and therefore determinant of A into I is identity matrix, it is 1 0 0 1 is equal to RHS of the given equation, matrix 10 0 0 10. So this is equal to, we can take 10 common, so 10 into matrix 1 0 0 1. So this is equal to 10 into I, and therefore determinant of A into I is equal to 10 into I. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to 10. So answer is C is the correct answer. Therefore, C is correct answer. If the inverse of a matrix does not exist, then the value of alpha is. The inverse of the matrix exists when the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. The inverse does not exist means determinant of A is equal to 0. So we evaluate the matrix, given matrix. We find the determinant of this. So determinant of alpha 14 minus 1 2 3 1 6 2 3 is equal to, we evaluate by the element of the first row. So alpha into 3 into 3 9 minus 2 minus 14 into 2 into 3 6 minus 6 minus 1 into 2 into 2 4 6 into 3 minus 18 is equal to 0, that is 9 minus 2, that is 7 alpha. Here 6 minus 6 is become 0, so this term is 0, minus 4 minus 18, that is minus 14 minus minus plus 14 is equal to 0, and therefore alpha is equal to minus 14 upon 7, that is minus 2. So answer D, that is minus 2, is correct. Therefore D is correct answer. Number 6, the matrix A is given, then the value of the sum of the product of the elements and its cofactor. In first example we have seen, this is the first example. Here it is given, here the suffixes of small a and capital A are different, then its value is 0. And if the suffixes of small a and capital A are same, then its value is determinant of A. Now in this case, here the suffixes of A and capital A are same, that is 3131, 3232, 3333, and therefore its value is determinant of A. So we evaluate the determinant of a given matrix. So it is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7 is equal to 1 into 7, 1 into 7, 4 into 5, it is minus 20, minus 2 into 1 into 7, 7, 2 into 5, minus 10, plus 3 into 1 into 4, 4, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2, is equal to, here minus 13, minus 2 into minus 3, plus 3 into 2. So it is minus 13, minus become plus 6, plus 6. So this is equal to minus 13 plus 12 is equal to minus 1. So answer B is correct. B is correct answer. 1. If A is a given matrix, then A square minus 5A into A raised to inverse is equal to. Now first we multiply A inverse inside the bracket, that is A square into A inverse minus 5A into A inverse is equal to A square means A into A inverse minus 5A into A inverse. We know that A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix. So this is equal to A into I minus 5 into I, that is A minus 5I. Now we evaluate this matrix. A is the given matrix. Given matrix is it is 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2 1 2 4 minus 5 into identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1 1 2 1 2 4 minus, we multiply my 5 inside the matrix 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Now we subtract the corresponding elements, that is 1 minus 5, that is minus 4, 2 3. Now in the option minus 4 2 3, minus 4 2 3, it is only in the option B. So we no need to evaluate further. We select the B as a correct answer. So therefore B is correct answer. 8. If A is equal to matrix x1 1 0 and A is equal to A inverse, then the value of x is equal to, we know that inverse of a matrix A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now first we find the determinant of A. A is a matrix x1 1 0 and therefore its determinant is x1 1 0. It is equal to x into 0 is 0, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, and therefore determinant of A is equal to minus 1. Now if it is a square matrix of order 2 A, B, C, D, then its adjoint is given by interchanging the diagonal element, that is dA, and changing the sign of the non-diagonal element, that is minus B minus C. So this is the adjoint of a matrix. So adjoint of a given matrix A, adjoint of A is equal to interchanging the diagonal element, that is 0x, and changing the sign of the non-diagonal element. So this is adjoint of A. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint of A, that is 0 minus 1 minus 1x. So this is equal to minus 1 into this. So this is 0 1 1 minus x, and therefore we are given A into A inverse. Therefore A inverse, that is A is equal to matrix x1 1 0, which is equal to A inverse is 0 1 1 minus x. So we get, comparing the corresponding element, x is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, 0 is equal to minus x. So x is equal to 0. So answer A is correct answer. 9. If A is equal to matrix 1 plus 2i minus I 1 minus 2i, where I is equal to under root of minus 1, then A into adjoint of A. Now A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. So we find the determinant of a given matrix A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant 1 plus 2i minus I 1 minus 2i is equal to 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i minus I into I minus I square, which is equal to the product of A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. So it is 1 minus 4, 2 into 2, 4, I square, minus minus become plus I square. So it is 1 minus 3I square. Now I is equal to under root of minus 1, it is given, it is imaginary unit, so I square is equal to minus 1. So it is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 1, so it is 1 minus 1 in minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, so it is equal to 4. The answer is 4. Therefore 4 into I. The correct answer is D. Therefore, D is correct answer. Number 10. If A is equal to matrix such that A square minus 4A plus 3I, I is identity matrix, is equal to 0, then A inverse. The given matrix equation is A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to 0. We pre-multiplying A inverse on both sides. So we get A inverse, A square means A into A, minus 4A inverse into A, plus 3 into A inverse is equal to I, is equal to A inverse into 0. A inverse into 0, 0 means 0 matrix, so it is 0. A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into I is A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix. So here both are identity matrix. Here it is I into A minus 4I minus 3A inverse is equal to 0. That is A minus 4I is equal to 3A inverse. Here it is plus, so it is minus, and therefore 3 into A inverse is equal to, we multiply minus and to each term, so it is 4I minus A. Therefore 3A inverse is equal to 4. I is identity matrix of the same order of that of the A. It is 1 0 0 1. A is a given matrix. It is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, and therefore it is equal to 4 0, multiply 4 inside the bracket, inside the matrix, 0 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. So this is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2, 0 minus 1 1, 0 minus minus 1, it is 1, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So it is 3A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 3. So option C, 1 by 3, 2 1 1 2, 1 by 3, 2 1 1 2 is the correct answer. Therefore C is correct answer. Number 11. If A is equal to matrix, then twice A minus 3 into A inverse is equal to. Now, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now, adjoint of A, we know that if A, B, C, D is the matrix, then its adjoint is interchanging the diagonal elements, that is DA, and changing the sign of the non-diagonal element. And therefore, and determinant of A given matrix, the determinant of given matrix is 2 minus 3, 5 minus 7, it is equal to 2 into minus 7 is minus 14, minus 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15, so it is minus 14 plus 15, it is equal to 1. So determinant of A is 1, and the adjoint of a given matrix, it is changing the diagonal element minus 7, 2, and changing the sign of the non-diagonal element 3 and minus 5. And therefore, A inverse is equal to, it is 1 upon 1 adjoint of a matrix minus 7, 3, minus 5, 2. Therefore, with the given equation, 2A minus 3A inverse is equal to 2 into the given matrix 2 minus 3, 5 minus 7. So this is the given matrix 2 minus 3, 5 minus 7, minus 3 into the inverse of the given matrix minus 7, 3, minus 5, 2. So this is equal to, we multiply 2 inside the bracket, inside a matrix 4, minus 6, 10, minus 14. We multiply minus 3 inside the matrix, minus 3 into minus 7, 21, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus 3 into minus 5, that is 15, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So this is equal to, adding this corresponding elements, 4 plus 21, that is 25, minus 6 minus 9, minus 15, 10 plus 15, 25, minus 14 minus 6, minus 20. So the option D, 15 minus 25 minus 15, 25 minus 20, 25 minus 15, 25 minus 20. The option D is the correct. Therefore, D is correct answer. 12. If A is equal to matrix and X is 2 into 2 matrix such that AX is equal to I, then the matrix A is equal to. The given equation is AX is equal to I. We pre-multiply by A inverse on both sides. So A inverse into X into A into X is equal to A inverse into I. A inverse into A is equal to I into X. A inverse into I is A inverse. Therefore, X is equal to A inverse. So we find the inverse of a given matrix A. A is a given matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Its determinant is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4. It is equal to 1 into 4, that is 4, minus 3 into 2, 6 is minus 2. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of matrix and adjoint. Adjoint is by interchanging the diagonal element and changing the sign of non-diagonal element. So this is equal to 4, 1 and minus 2, minus 3. So this is the A inverse. So multiply minus 1 upon 2. So A inverse is equal to minus 2, 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 2. So in the option minus 2, 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 half. So option D is correct. Therefore, option D is correct answer. In this way, we have solved, and I have given hint to the MCQ which was asked in previous year